Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix login not working on iPhone. If you're stuck on the login screen or can't sign in, here's the quick step-by-step fix. First, you'll have to check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common causes of login failures. Next, what you're gonna do is swipe from the bottom of your screen and then find the Locket app and swipe it away, then reopen it to reset the login sessions. Next, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your settings app, then search for Safari. After that, scroll down to the clear history and website data, then click on clear history. This will clear Safari's cookies, and Locket relies on Safari's background web seasons for some login flows, and clearing this often fixes stuck on logins. This is one of the most important steps, so you got to follow this step. Next, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your app store at last, and then search for Locket widget, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is an update button available, simply click it, and if there is not, and if it shows open like mine, then that means your app is already updated to the newest or latest versions. Privacy tip: only log in using this official Locket app from the App Store. Do not use modified or fake versions, as they can cause errors or compromise your account. Next, what you're gonna do, quick fix: if it's still not working, make sure your phone number is entered correctly with the right country code. Temporarily disable VPN or proxy, as they can box SMS verification system. And if you're not receiving the verification code, wait for 10 to 15 minutes and try again. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.